Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you very quickly how to use your graphics display calculator to find a definite integral. So I'm just using some examples from the textbook. These are actually supposed to be evaluated without a calculator, but that's okay. So where you want to go is to this button that's next to the book button here on the left, just to the right of the 9 key, and that'll bring up a whole bunch of different functions that you can use in your calculations. This is just a calculator page, by the way. There's fractions and powers and whatever else, but the one we're interested in is all the way over here. It might be on a different row for you, but it's this one here, which is the integral sign with a little box at the bottom and a little box at the top and so on. So I'm going to click on that, and that'll give me what I'm looking for. And now I'm going to fill out information according to question 5 there on the left. So the lower bound for the integral is 1, so I'm going to type in 1, and then I'm going to press the up arrow, and I'll press it twice just then, just to go up to the top bound, which is 2. And now I'll press the down arrow to get back into the main function, and I'll put it in brackets. I'm not sure if I need to or not. It might do it automatically, but I'll do it anyway. 4 over x squared, so 4 over x squared plus 1, and then use the arrow to get over to the d bit and finish it off by going dx. So this should be the integral from 1 to 2 of the function 4 over x squared plus 1 dx. Press return, and there's the evaluation there. It's the value 3. That's all you have to do. You can also, so you can pause the video, you can stop the video here, and that's basically all you need in order to calculate the a definite integral. But if you wanted to graph it, you can do that as well, and I'll just quickly go through it. So I'll go Control Doc to add a page. You can see in blue there it says Add Page. I'll add a graph, and this time I'll put the function in again, but as equaling f1 of x, so f of 4 divided by x squared plus 1, like so. Press return. There's the graph there, and you can see it's a hyperbolic kind of graph, is what you'd expect. And I'll just pop this over here somewhere. I might just zoom a little bit because it's going from 1 to 10, and we really just want 1 to 2, right? So let's use our window zoom to sort that out a little bit. So I've got to go graph entry, window zoom, go to zoom window settings. I always prefer to do it by window settings if I can. It's 1 to 2, so I might go -1 to 3, so there's a little bit of give either side. And I'll just leave the y min and y max as it is. Click on OK, and there we go. There's the part of the curve we're interested in. Now, if I want to find the definite integral, I will go to Menu, and then I'll go to Analyze Graph, and then you can see there's integral there. So Menu, Analyze Graph, Integral, so Menu 6, and it's going to ask for a lower bound, which you can try and find here if you want to, but you can also just type it in. So I'm going to literally type 1 for my lower bound, and then return. And then for the upper bound, I can see that I'm looking for an upper bound of 2. So rather than trying to find 2, I'm just going to type in 2, press return, and there we go. There's the area under the curve, which is the definite integral, and you can see here it has a value of 3. So you can do it graphically if you want to see what's happening, or you can do it just purely straight into your calculator if you just need to get a number out of it. Hope that was useful. Ask questions if you're not too sure.